Get it neutral. Alrighty. So the car, I just want to show you, I got a bug on my forehead. I just wanted to show you the measurement I went by, so we both know, and we know what's going on. Man, it's one good looking race car, sweetheart. That's a good paint scheme you come up with. Huh? And it was all dictated by the color of the inside of the truck. So I'm on the outside of the wheel. 5 feet. Maybe a little better than 5 feet. So we're 6 feet wide. So I'm just gonna put that down. On the outside of that, right there, should be 6 feet. We're 6 feet from the exhaust pipe for the 6 feet right on. So 5 feet. We have 6 inches on either side. We just kind of now. I'm saying right about there would be good, so we'll go. Let's do this. 6 inches. We want 2 inches on the outside. Let's put it right there. 3 inches from the outside edge. So that gives us 3 inches. The wheel will be in here, so we'll be 6 inches. So tire should be right in the center. That should be good. So we're going to drill a hole right there and put a pin in that. And we'll do 3 inches from the other side. So we'll be, all right, so let me figure this out for a second. We're 3 inches from the edge of the ramp. 6 inches we have, so that's where the tire starts. We're gonna have that should be good. Should be good. Let's do it one more time. So the outside of the tire should be here. Tires how wide? 7. So the inside of the tires. Let's bring it over to 4. Let's do that. Let's do 4 inch from there. The other ramp.